There's a feeling you get when you go out in nature. It's like a deep exhale, like you've plugged into something familiar, something from a part of yourself you struggle to tap into in your daily life. It's a part of you that remembers, like your inner child coming home. Spending time in nature, even if it's fleeting, invites us to zoom out of our daily lives and the limits that sometimes exist within them. It invites us to consider what our purpose was before choosing a career path became what life is about. Nature is a great teacher, sharing lessons all around us daily that we are often too busy to take notice of. We tend to think a lot about the things we can gain and add to improve our lives. We spend less time thinking about what we can shed or offload. What do we carry around with us internally that we no longer need? A grudge, a bad memory, a negative experience. One of the greatest lessons for me recently was to examine what I can let go of. It's letting go that makes room for more positive things in our lives to come in. Nature taught me this lesson, more specifically, the cicada. Where I live, cicadas appear every summer. After feeding underground on roots and sap, they emerge as adults. Once surfaced, they climb upwards to find a suitable place to molt and spread their wings. They leave behind an exoskeleton that they no longer need. They then will rest before continuing their ascent to find a mate. Once up in the treetops, the cicadas start their song. It creates a white noise all around that not everyone appreciates, but I really love. They then lay their eggs in the trees and pass away, simultaneously starting and ending a cycle. Observing these cicadas daily this past month has encouraged me to shed limiting beliefs, self-doubt, and old patterns that no longer serve my life. How is nature trying to reach you? I hope this summer you have an opportunity to go out and observe what life all around has to reveal for you.